Hey, hello, welcome to the Caribou Data Science channel Friday evening live stream. This is, of course, the evening of, what is this? This is the evening of August the 8th, Friday evening, August the 8th, okay? I was mentioning that tonight's live stream is based on this video right here. Okay, this is by a gentleman who goes by the handle of Daily with Mo. I would recommend this channel to you. He has a lot of really good videos that have to do with portfolio projects and advice on resumes and job finding and stuff like that. So by all means, give the guy, show the guy a little love. Click on it, subscribe to his channel, click on the video. The link to both the video, this video here, and this data is in the description below, okay? Okay. Now let's take a look at our data for this evening. Here's the raw data, here's the completed project. We're actually going to do something a little different here, bro. We're actually going to create a new chat GBT. Please click to get started. I don't think that's not a direct GBT. It's kind of interesting. It's sort of someone's add-in version of this. Okay, so let's start over here. Let's save. I don't know, Excel. No, I'm actually in data, so I don't know. Where are we here? More locations. Browse. Okay. We're going to do quite a bit of this in Power Query, okay? In Power Query. Let's do this. Take a quick look at the data here, shall we? Now the actual, you can see we got three types of tables here. From the standpoint of data data analytics and data warehousing, the order table is a fact table because all it contains is foreign keys. A foreign key for order ID, the foreign key for customer ID, and a foreign key for product ID. And what he does, he uses to fill in the rest of these columns from both the customer and product table. He uses a series of lookups, X lookup, I think maybe like an index lookup. Well, we're going to simplify this. We're going to simply use the merge function inside of Power Query. Okay. So first we have to go up here to our data. Go here. You know, and once you see how easy it is to use the merge function, you'll never use another VLOOKUP again. So let's start over here. We may not actually use a I mean, we may not actually even use, let's see, some of your data again. Let's do the order next. Now we could, of course, use the data model to do the joins, but we're going to do it in Power Query. Now let's take a second look over here, okay? So again, so he does some things. He converts this to a format where it's a 2-digit day, abbreviated month name, and a four-digit year. Then he uses this to import the customer name, I think probably customer country, and the customer email address. Then he does another lookup to import the product information, the size and the price of the product. And you can see over here, this tells us what in the coffee type. The coffee type there's 3 different types of coffee. So like Colombian and a Hawaiian type of coffee. Okay. Then he's got roast type. Roast type is light, medium, and dark. Size in kilograms, I think it is, or ounces. Unit price, and then the sales. Okay. And he also comes over here and he adds out a customer loyalty column or something like that. I'm not quite sure what that was, but we'll get there. So we can certainly do some of the early. We can certainly fix the dates. We can certainly use the merge function to pull in the customer information and the product information, as well as the coffee type and the roast type. Okay, and the size and the unit price and the sales. Okay. So we've got 2 other things. Now, the last thing we need to do is not orders, products. Transform. And now you can see here's our merge. Let's take a quick look over here at our ChatGPT for a second. So the question we have is what's the difference between append and merge? Okay. So I said what's the difference between append function and merge function in Power Query? Okay. Append, the purpose is to combine multiple rows by stacking them on top, so it appends it to the end of the table. Okay. Similar to a union function. So a merge is similar to a join function, and it combines 2 tables by matching rows based on a common key. Okay, so we'll come over here, we're going to do a merge function. Well, we actually want to create a new query. Okay, create as new. So first of all, let's start with customers. Orders, customer ID, customer ID. Now we come over here, and you see this, and this is the orders table we're bringing in. We don't need customer ID. Okay. You do need hang on one second. Okay. So, what do we got here? This is the orders table. Let's just select all columns for this right now. We'll come back and fix it here in a minute. Okay. So that we combine orders with what? With customer? Is that what it was? Orders. Okay, good. Do we combine orders with customers? Okay, you know, let's do this. Let's delete this because I don't know what I did. I'm not sure what I did. Let's come back up here, combine. Let's start with customers. Orders. We're going to join on. Customer, no. So this is the order state. Let's just do this. So we don't need right. So we don't need any of this. Okay, so we do need this. We don't need this. Move. There's order quantity. Quantity only appears once. Do we have customer name back over here? Yeah, okay. Order date. We don't need address, we don't need city, we don't need phone number, do we? I don't think we need, we'll leave city in there right now. Order date. Alright, so we don't need these. Alright, so we combine customers first, right? There's nothing there. Okay, so let's do a new merge. So we're going to say
Não, é que eu só queria saber se você vai conseguir ver. Eu acabei sentindo sua falta, saudade.
so now we're on the product table input of fund.
Na real é que só queria que você soubesse que eu te adoro. Preciso de você aqui.
Okay, so we don't know what type of coffee this actually is.
Que bom que você chegou. Sentir sua pele, seu cheiro. Você mesmo. É um prazer ser tão bem. Você tem uma tão boa.
We go over here and we can change this for currencies, right? And we got this, and we can change this to a currency. Now, what he did is, I don't think he used the and a loyalty card. We actually get, again, he did a lookup and he adds it onto the right side of the order table. We're not going to do that. ID. Where's the product name? this isn't good. What happened to our product name? Well, okay. Your cleaner. Now, there's some minor things we could do here. It'd be nice if the product actually had a product name. Okay, but it doesn't. Which is really kind of strange, isn't it? We can change this. Replace values. Mead. If I could only spell medium. Medium. Now this is interesting. I just looked it up on, I just Googled how to spell medium, and it has a little highlighted box that says, get an AI-powered overview for this search. So obviously what's going on is that so we just fixed one thing here. Let's come back over to here. I just want to okay. ARA. Go ahead. There we go. Thank you. Where would we be? I ask you. Now again, he did this with a there's another major species of coffin, a coffee, and is known for its stronger flavor, higher caffeine content. Well. Now, I ask you, my dear viewers, which is easier to do? A lookup function or an if statement or something like this? I personally vote for this. Lib. So I ask you, my dear viewers, which do you think is easier to use a lookup statement or a lookup statement to pull the tables together to replace some of the values, or to use Power Query? I say Power Query is much easier. It's much easier to understand and to learn, and you don't have to remember any archaic type of function calls like XLOOKUP or something like that, or VLOOKUP, and so forth. Product ID. What's interesting is we don't actually have I cleaned the wrong one, so we have to replace Rob with something. Robusta. What about EXC? The Supremo grade, but still high quality. So we can use ChatGPT or AI to answer very simple questions. Okay. And we can use Power Query to good. So that's all fixed. The thing that's kind of odd is we don't actually have well, I suppose the product is the coffee type. I'm not really sure that. I don't think city was actually part. We don't really need customer ID, I don't think. I don't think we need city either. If we do, we'll just have to punt.
Eu já senti o clima no ar. Você me quer e eu quero você também. Não há nada que precise me provar. Que o destino nos leve além. Eu já senti o clima no ar. Você me quer e eu quero você também. Não há nada que precise me provar. Que o destino nos leve além. Não há nada que precise me provar. Que o destino nos leve
make a copy of the order date. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Okay. Transform date. So we can come over here and say, okay, you know what, let's do? Let's just get rid of that. Hey, look at that. Okay, so here is our working table then. Okay, there. And it's already a table because of the fact that it's that's actually exactly what we're looking for. That's kind of strange. Excellent. Now he actually took the size and added a kilogram function next to it. Okay. We're just going to come over here and say, alright, come over here let's just round off tonight. We're at just about 45 minutes, which is more than long enough for you folks. But we can certainly come over here and take a look at a couple interesting. I mean, for instance, we can do a transform, do a group by, and just do a by country. Ooh, we have slightly more unloyal people than loyal people. Them bastards. How dare they? This could be interesting. Let's do a count by product. That null probably shouldn't be there. Okay. Okay. That shouldn't be there. So this gives us the number of orders by day. Okay. Or the number of orders by the rows count. I don't know what that is, unless there's a possibility that there's a problem with the spelling of one of the a misspelling with like one of the coffee types or something like that. But let's just try something here. So this is our fact table. Okay. This is connected by product, and this is connected by customer ID. So we could have, so rather than doing a merge, okay, we could have come over here and said, like so. All right? But anyway. But you can see, so now we got the combined tables, okay? So come over here like so. Let's see, order date, rows. Right. Okay. Yeah, I have to go back and look. And look and see exactly what he plotted here. It could have been, did he calculate the cell mount, the cell? Because we didn't actually calculate the cells, did we? Yeah, because we didn't calculate the cells, did we? Let's drop that. I have to go back and take a second look. Where the heck did that come from? That's interesting. I have no idea where this came from. You know what? We'll leave it there anyway, because you never know, and you might want to do some type of other function. You might do some month. Huh. Interesting. What we don't have is, we don't have right, which is equals so let's add a new column. So we're going to say quantity times unit price. And then format this currency. Home. Oh. Now why it put total sales right next to here, I'm not really sure, but that's a good place for it. Over here, home, dollars, there we go. Save that, and let's call it a night. A rather productive night. We've actually pretty much accomplished everything that the guy does using by we accomplished almost everything I can tell that he did with like X lookup and stuff by doing it in Power Query, okay, and using the merge functions, okay, which I think is a lot easier. Do you agree? Leave a comment in the chat below. Again, check the description for the link to both his channel and the video and the data, which he also provides a link to on his channel, on his video. Okay. And of course, check his video out because it never hurts to know, it never hurts to know how to use some of the lookup functions in Excel. Even though, as you can see, Power Query is better. Again, thanks so much for your time, folks, and we will see you probably Sunday night. We'll see. But of course, if you click on that subscribe button and that like button and that bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I upload new content or I go live again. Thanks so much for hanging out for this last hour. We'll see you in a day or two, all right?